Fertility, the silent struggle powered by Avora nature, a crisis hidden in plain sight. Welcome to Avora Nature, where nature meets performance. Today we shine a light on an issue that affects millions, yet is rarely discussed openly: male fertility. In the world of wellness, the focus is often on women's reproductive health, but here's the truth. In 40% of couples struggling to conceive, the issue lies with the men, and the numbers are growing. Factors like poor diet, chronic stress, sleep deprivation, exposure to environmental toxins, and sedentary lifestyles are silently sabotaging men's reproductive health. But what if there was a way to reverse the trend naturally? In this video, we'll explore the science, supplements, and strategies behind the Fertility Man Premium package. Let's have a look at the package. So this is the package we recommend for male customers. The Fertility Man Premium package is now available at avoranature.com. This isn't just another supplement stack. This is a comprehensive fertility system built to restore balance, fuel vitality, and support your body's natural ability to create life. Let's get started. The foundations of male fertility. What really determines fertility? There are three essential health factors every man should understand: the count of the numbers per millimeter, the mobility, the percentage that swim effectively toward the egg, morphology, the structure, size, and shape is everything. These three parameters together determine the quality of your reproductive potential, and if even one is out of range, conception becomes much harder. Hidden disruptors of male fertility. Even if you eat well or work out occasionally, you may unknowingly be exposed to harmful factors like endocrine disruptors from plastics, chronic stress which lowers testosterone, alcohol and nicotine which reduce sperm count, nutrition deficiencies, high body temperature from hot showers or tight clothing. Over time, these seemingly minor issues can result in hormonal imbalance, oxidative stress, and poor sperm quality. But here's the good news: male fertility is highly responsive to lifestyle interventions and targeted supplementation. Introducing the Fertility Man Premium Package by Avora Nature. The Fertility Man Premium Package was designed with one purpose: to help men restore, enhance, and protect their reproductive health naturally. Let's break down what's inside this evidence-based protocol. The Fertile Man Plus. It is high potent in zinc and selenium, clinically effective doses of arginine, supports motility, morphology and count, reduces DNA fragmentation through antioxidant protection. Another key opponent is ashwagandha, a standardized clinical grade extract, reduces cortisol and balances the testosterone-cortisol ratio, improves sleep, mood, and overall vitality, shown to increase testosterone by up to 70% in healthy men. High-dose omega-3 promotes healthy sperm membrane structure, reduces inflammation in the reproductive tract, enhances cardiovascular and cognitive function, a holistic win. Bioactive form. It boosts the energy in the cells, improves concentration and motility, one of the most important antioxidants for DNA integrity. Multi-Man complex provides foundational micronutrients for men, includes vitamin D3, magnesium, B12 and zinc, supports hormonal regulation, muscle recovery and daily energy. These ingredients work synergetically, creating a layered defense against fertility decline while enhancing your general health and well-being. Backed by real science. Let's go beyond marketing. Here's what the clinical research says. Carnitine increases motility and overall volume. In a 2090 study, men who took the COQ10 saw significant improvement in morphology and concentration. Ashwagandha in double-blind studies shown to increase testosterone, reduce stress, and improve semen parameters in infertile men. Omega-3 linked to higher count and better mobility in meta-analysis. Zinc and selenium, key trace minerals required for testosterone production and sperm development. These aren't fake claims, they're peer-reviewed findings matched to the real world formula found inside the Avora Nature Fertility Man Premium package. Let's have a look at the package again. So in the package you get around 30 capsules, all natural. And what happens when you combine lifestyle with supplementation? Supplements are powerful tools, but they shine when combined with smart daily choices. We recommend stacking the Fertility Man Premium package with a clean anti-inflammatory diet, avoid processed foods and seed oils, strength and regular movement. It boosts your testosterone, consistent sleep routine about 7 to 8 hours, daily stress reduction practices, breathwork, journaling or cold exposure, avoiding smoking, excessive alcohol and synthetic fragrances. Most users start seeing changes in energy, libido and vitality within the first 30 days. Analysis improvements typically takes up to 90 days and 72 days to regenerate. A couple of success stories that inspire. These are real experiences from real men. The first one is, I was skeptical, but after 3.5 months, my sperm count nearly doubled. We got pregnant naturally on our second cycle. I'm now a believer. This is Tom, 36, from Utrecht. The second one is, I felt low energy and had almost no libido or libido. My doctor mentioned low testosterone after using the Avora protocol and improving my sleep. I feel 10 years younger. This is Jonas from Antwerp. He's 40 years old. And the last one is, this isn't just about fertility, it's about becoming a stronger man mentally and physically. And this is Karim, 33, from Amsterdam. Chapter 6. Is this right for you? This package is ideal if you've been trying to conceive for 3 months, over 3 months without success. You want to optimize your health before starting your diet, or you are focused on natural performance and longevity. And the last one is, you believed in functional preventive solutions or over pharmaceuticals medicine. It's not a magic fix, but it is a scientific framework for restoring reproductive wealth or health. Conclusion. Take charge of your fertility. Start today. Here at Avora Nature, we believe fertility is a mirror of overall health, and we are proud to offer a system that works with your biology, not against it. The Fertility Man Premium package is more than a supplement kit. It's a commitment to vitality, performance, and a new level of self-leadership. So for all of you who want to see the package again, this is a real package I got from Natuurlijk Presteren, our partner, our business partner. If you want to check out more of these products, just go to avoranature.com. Are you ready to reclaim control over your reproductive health? Again, visit avoranature.com and explore